nobody went there. I don't know if I'd go there with it, but I don't know what kind of paperwork to fill out for that. But no, you know, I mean, a lot of people were seeing this about, I'm going to say December last year, November last year was the last time I'd seen it, which is kind of interesting because we're getting into that time of the year again. It must be some sort of natural phenomenon, but I'm not familiar with it. But you bet, but I must say, I mean, with the one we saw change direction, I'm going to say about 90 degrees, it probably went from about a northerly heading to a easterly heading, and it maybe gets brighter and then dimmer and then bright again as it made the turn. So that was a little weird. How does one go about it? I'm not familiar with the process on that.
2677, and we didn't see nothing.